Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. May I introduce myself to you? My name is Cynthia. I come from Indramayu, West Java of Indonesia. I was born in Indramayu on 25 of April 2001. I am 23 years old and I am married. I am number 2 in my family. I have one sister. My height is 150 cm. My weight is 78 kg. My education is senior high school. My religion is Muslim. My husband occupation is a farmer. I have working experience in Jakarta for 2 years, since 2021 until 2023. I do take care baby. She is 3 months. I do change diaper, make a meal, feed the baby, help bath, washing, ironing, cooking, sweep the floor, mop the floor, marketing, gardening, and do general housekeeping. I can take care of baby or children. I can take care of old age or elderly person. I can cook Indonesia food as vegetable soup, fried rice, fried chicken, balado, egg rendang, and satay. I am willing to learn Chinese cooking. I am willing to handle cut and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I am not afraid of dog. I promise to finish my contract for 2 years. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for my future and my family. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Introduce finished. I hope to see you in Singapore. Bye-bye.